invigorate the soul, uplift the heart, and steer in the right direction. Ancient Tales of Wisdom on the SOH Radio Network.
Hello and welcome to Ancient Tales of Wisdom on SOH. My name is Melina Chan and today I'll be reading a story called Cow Bezoar. In Chinese medicine, Cow Bezoar is often used to treat diseases of the mouth. It works exceptionally well in curing gum pain. Western dentists resort to complex equipment and medications, while Chinese doctors can cure many acute mouth diseases with Cow Bezoar. In China, Cow Bezoar has been used as a medicine for over 2,000 years. Holy Farmers Glossary on Fundamental Herbs classifies Chinese medicines into different categories and places Cow Bezoar in the highest rated category. Because Cow Bezoar reduces fever and removes toxic substances, it is often used in treating high fever, unconsciousness, convulsion, stroke, epilepsy, and other illnesses. Cow Bezoar is a type of gallstone that grows in a sick cow. When afflicted with it, the cow becomes emaciated, eats little grass, and drinks lots of water. It lacks strength for walking and its eyes turn red. Eventually, it dies from the illness. A naturally formed Cow Bezoar is often produced at the cost of the life of a cow and is therefore very expensive. There is an interesting story about Bianque and Cow Bezoar. Bianque was a famous doctor in ancient China who had supernormal abilities and was able to cure many people. One day, Bianque had attained a Qingmen stone for his neighbor Gu Yangwen. Bianque planned to grind it into powder to treat Gu Yangwen's stroke and paralysis. Suddenly, Bianque heard noises from outside his home and asked for the cause. Yang Bao had asked someone to kill the 10-year-old cow of Yangwen's family, who had been sick for the last 2 years. After the cow was killed, Yang Bao found a stone in the cow's gallbladder. Bianque was interested in the stone and asked Yang Bao if he could have it. Yang Bao smiled and asked, "Doctor, do you want to use it as medicine?" He then placed it alongside the Qingmen stone. At that moment, Yang Wen suffered another stroke. Bianque rushed to him and saw his eyes flipping upwards, and he was making gagging noises. His limbs were cold and his breath was short. He was in a critical condition. Bianque told Yang Bao, "Quick, give me the Qingmen stone that I left on the table." Yang Bao ran to Bianque's house and brought back the medicine. Bianque didn't have time to look at it closely and quickly ground it into powder. He then measured out a serving and fed it to Yang Wen. Soon, Yang Wen stopped convulsing, his breath became calm, and he regained consciousness. When Bianque returned home, he found his Qingmen stone still lying on the table, while the Cow Bezoar was gone. He asked his family, "Who took the Cow Bezoar?" His family said, "Yang Bao came to get the medicine and he said he was following your order." This accident made Bianque think, does Cow Bezoar have the ability to release respiratory clots and pacify the systems? On the next day, he intentionally used Cow Bezoar in Yang Wen's medicine in place of Qingmen stone. 3 days later, Yang Wen's condition improved miraculously. He not only stopped convulsing, he also regained movement in his paralyzed limbs. From this case, Bianque concluded, as Cow Bezoar was submerged in the gallbladder of a cow for a long time, its coldness can reach the patient's heart and the liver. It can clear the heart, open the points, pacify the liver, and cure the paralysis. Thank you for listening to Ancient Tales of Wisdom on SOH.